I can't hear you, Cedric. Maybe you're
Do
muted.
you want me to leave and just go to Mrs. Lewis?
Yep, you and
Dante,
both. Do you know how to go to Mrs. Lewis?
Yes.
Okay.
I know
Yep.
how to.
Yep. You guys are gonna do math with her this morning.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Have a good day, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Alrighty. Let's see. We have everyone else. Nicholas Willoughby, you're with us today.
Yes, I am.
Awesome. Okay. Did you see the new Sumdog challenge that is on Sumdog?
Not yet.
Yes. So that's due Friday. Guys, make sure you see it. Don't make me beg you every day this week to start the Sumdog and then come Friday have you guys say, I didn't see it, I didn't know, I'm not sure, I couldn't log in. Okay? Start that today. You have 50 questions to ask. You can be able to get it done pretty quickly. I think when I looked yesterday, Serena, you were like 872% finished. All right. So you guys need to get in there today. Good. I'm glad that you do like it. It is fun. Playing the games is fun. All right. Let's take a look at the homework that we did yesterday in that new section on page 452, talking about mean and medians.
This is Palmer. The reason I didn't come see you yesterday was because I understood this.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, so, which worked really well.
Good. Okay. Okay, so the first one that you guys did was at the top of the page. It talks about exam scores, and it gives you 70, 72, 99, a 72, and a 69. Find the mean and the median, and then try to figure out which is the better description of his typical score.
Which page was it?
Page 452. Okay. Cassie, what did you get for the mean, his mean score?
What I got for the mean was 79.4.
Okay. I got something close to that, but not quite that. Let me check with Matthew Bellino. Matthew, what did you get?
For the mean,
I
got 76.4.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got. So maybe just when you added it up, Cassie, you typed something, a wrong number in.
Maybe. Can I go run and grab a pencil?
Yeah. Go ahead. 76.4. Okay. And the median, the number in the middle, Nathan, what did you get for the median?
I'm sorry, which number?
Number 4 at the top, the median.
Oh, I did the other number 4.
Oh, okay. I'll come back to you. I'll go to Nicholas Marks.
What number are we on? I was getting my calculator up.
Number 4 at the top, the median.
Oh, my median was 62.6. Is that wrong also?
Well, so you have to put all the numbers in order from smallest to biggest and find the one in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And there isn't anything even as low as 62.6. So I'm not sure how you got that.
I forgot to do the low part, put everything in the middle, and I just added them up like we did last time.
All right, hang on a second. Nicholas, put this in your head right now. Okay, close your eyes and think for a second. Okay?
Okay.
To find the mean, you add them all up and divide by however many numbers you added.
Okay, so
okay.
to find
That's
the mean, add them all.
The median, you put them in order from smallest to biggest and find the one in the middle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Nicholas Willoughby, what did you get for the median?
For the median, I got 72.
Yep, that's it. 72 is the one in the middle. And when they ask which is a better description, would it be the mean at 76.4 or the median at 72? The better description is the median because it's closer to most of the values, all right? 72 is closer to 70, 72, 72, and 69, okay? The mean gets bumped up a little bit higher because there's that outlier. On one of the tests, Luke got a 99, did really well. So that bumped his mean up a little. So the median is a better indicator of how he typically does.
So we use the mean and the median for grading too?
Sometimes. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. We're going to go down to number 1, and we're going to Serena. All right. Tell me what you have in the boxes, Serena, and then your answer on the line. You're muted, Serena. Boys and girls, can you put your cameras on so I can see you when you talk? For every one of you, I can only see that thumbnail thing. I don't feel like I'm in class with you.
Hello.
There you go. I can see you now, Serena.
Okay, sorry.
What number are you?
Brooklyn.
Number 1.
Oh.
We're moving really quickly today, guys. We're on number 1.
For the mean, I got 3.
Yeah. So I wanted you to tell me what you have in the boxes and then on the line.
The top box, it's 15. The bottom box is 5. And the last box is 3.
Good. Okay, good job. All right, number 2, back to Cassie. Cassie, number 2A, what is the median?
So the median is what I got was 47.
So you said the number in the middle is 47.
No,
Did
wait,
you?
no. That's not what I meant. Wait, hold on. I might have got a little confused on this. Because there's 2 numbers in the middle, and I forgot what you told us to do when there's 2 numbers in the middle.
What did you do?
I thought you add them together and then divide by 2.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, well, maybe I did something wrong with the divider. I don't know.
All right. Okay, let me go to math. Let me go to Matthew then. That's what you do, though. That's the right way to do it. Matthew, what did you get for 2A?
For 2A, I got 42.
Correct. Good job. Okay. 2B says, suppose one of the weights were given in kilograms. Can you still find the median? Explain. Nathan Miller.
No, you couldn't, because you have to have the same weights or the same system to make them the same.
Good. Yeah. No, Nathan's right. You couldn't. You'd have to convert them all to the same unit. So the only way you can find the mean and the median is if you convert them all to the same unit. Number 3A, Nicholas Marks. Find the mean and the median. What did you get for the mean for 3?
Okay, I got the mean is 68. Or is that
Hang on a second. Look at the data. Are you on the right? Are you on 452?
452? Yes.
So you're looking at the numbers, okay? Look at those numbers. 9,
Oh,
6,
sorry.
5, 3, 28, 6, 4, 7. And you're finding the mean, which means the average number.
Sorry.
So the
6.
average of all those couldn't be 60 something.
Sorry.
You have to add those all together, and then maybe you forgot to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to add them all together and divide by 8. I think maybe you
Okay.
didn't divide by 8. What did you get?
Okay. Look, I got 68. Let me.
Okay.
Can I do this? Could you come back?
Divide 68 by 8. But I want you to divide it really quick. You should have a calculator in front of you. This is
Done. It is 8.5.
That's it. Good job.
So I had 8.5 behind it, beside it. I got confused in my head then.
Okay. All right.
My bad.
What did you get for the median?
For the median, okay. I had 8.5 for the median apparently. So my median is 6.
Yes. All right. Good work. All right. Part B says, which better describes the data, the mean or the median? In this case, it's going to be the median because it's closer to most of the data values than what the mean is. And again, one of those numbers like threw the mean off, that 28, it made our mean go up more, than most of the numbers typically are. So the median is better. Okay. Next page. Number 5, they want to know how many students were asked. Nicholas Willoughby, how many students did they ask? Did they select and ask how many text messages they sent yesterday? Yep, there you go, Nicholas Willoughby.
Where?
Page 453, the first one.
Oh,
5.
okay. $10.
Yeah, 10 students. How do you know?
I counted them.
Yeah, that's how many pieces of data there were. Good. Okay, good job. Number 6 goes to Serena. Serena, find the mean and the median.
The mean is 5.56 and the median is 3. Oh,
What did you say for the median?
3.
I have something different for those. For the mean and the median. Let me see what Cassie got for those.
Well, I'm checking.
All right. Cassie, number 6.
For median, I got 6. For median, I got 7.5.
All right. Mean is 6, but the median is not 7.5. Let's work on the median together. So it looks like we might be having a little bit of trouble with the median. Median, you have to put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So sometimes that's where we make a mistake, is we forget to order them from smallest to biggest. All right. So we're going to put those in order. Matthew Bellino, do you have your list in front of you for number 6 where you put them in order?
Yes.
All right. What's your list say?
Wait for number 6.
Yeah. For the median, you have to put them in order from smallest to biggest and find the one in the middle.
I have 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10, 13, 15.
Okay. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10, 13, 15, I think you said. Okay. So I'm going to count those up and make sure I have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 10 numbers. And that's good because Nicholas Willoughby said that there were 10 pieces of data. All right. We have to find the one in the middle. Since there are 10, that means there's going to be 2 in the middle because 10 is an even number. So I want you to put a box around the 2 in the middle. So everyone has to have their list written, though. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10, 13, 15. Okay, Cassie, what 2 are in the middle?
7 and 3.
Good. So we have to add those together and divide by 2.
And I could already do that in my head, and I got 5.
That good. So the median is 5. Good job. You can always add them together and divide by 2. Sometimes if you're trying to find the median, you could eyeball it and say like, oh, what number comes exactly in the middle of 3 and 7? It's also 5. So you could look at it that way. But if you add it and divide by 2, you'll always get the correct answer also. Okay, number 7 was more mean and median. Number 7. Nathan, what did you get for the mean and median for number 7?
The mean I got 0.5 and the median I got 80.5.
Yeah, your mean cut out. I didn't hear the mean. The median is 80.5. That's correct. What did you say for mean?
72.5.
Got something a little bit more. Let me see what Nicholas Marks got for that one. Nicholas, what did you get for 7 for the mean? You're muted, Nicholas Marks.
I said I know I got it wrong. It's 471.
All right, divide that by 6.
That is 78.5.
Yes, 78.5.
My gosh, I keep getting them both mixed up. I had 78.5 on my median part, and on my mean I had. This is annoying.
Okay. And then they ask which measure typically better describes the typical number. For that one, both of them describe it equally well. Okay, because 78.5 is like closer to the 37. 80.5 is closer to 115. Both of them are close to the other numbers, so they both describe it very well. Right, 9, 10, and 11. It says, what units are used for the data? What should you do before finding the mean and the median number of minutes? Nicholas Willoughby, what units did they use?
They used I didn't get this one.
Number 9? What are the units?
Um, 0.5.
Well, no, the units are things like feet or inches or.
Minutes and hours.
Right, good. What would you have to do before you were to find the mean or the median of those, Nicholas?
You would have to either change all of them into hours or all of them into minutes.
Good, right. Remember we talked about they have to be in the same units. So I guess we would probably change hours to minutes because there's only 2 that say hours, right? So we'd only have to change like 0.5 hours. We could make 30 minutes and 1 hour, 60 minutes, and then find the mean and median. Okay. Serena, did you do that for the bottom? Did you change those hours into minutes?
Yes.
Okay. What did you get for your mean?
18.13.
I got something a little bit different than that. What did you get for your median?
Median 8 minutes.
All right, let's go over these. To find the mean, we have to add them all up and then divide by 8 because we have 8. Okay. So, boys and girls, I want everyone to grab their calculator.
Got it.
Okay. In your calculator, type in 16 plus 7 plus 14 plus 30. Because half that 0.5 hours is going to be 30. Plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 60. Okay, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. And then divide by 8. All right. Did you do that, Serena?
16 plus 7 plus 14 plus 30. All right.
And before you divide by 8, make sure you hit equals so you get like the whole big number. So after you put in the 60 minutes, hit equals and then divide by 8.
Oh. 16 plus 7, 13 plus
All right. Cassie, did you add those all up?
No, I didn't yet. I'm sorry. So it's 16 plus 7? Or wait.
Yep, you guys remember when Mrs. Palmer showed you her calculator and I said, everybody get out your calculator and add them up? That's when you guys have to add them up, okay?
Yeah, I was
You
trying
go
to do them up, but then I lost track.
Okay. Matthew?
13.
Is that your mean or your median?
19.
Yeah, 9.
Nice
Add,
dog.
add them all up and divide by 8.
Yeah.
Serena, what did you get?
20.5.
All right. I'm gonna go with Matthew. Okay, for 19. Add them all up and you get 152. Divide that by 8 and you'll get 19. Okay, and then we need the median. We have to put those in order from smallest to biggest. Find the 2 in the middle because there's 8 numbers. Add those 2 together and divide by 2. All right, Nathan, what did you get for median?
I got 13.
Yeah, 13 is good. Which measure do you think is more typical of the data? Nicholas Marks. Which one's more typical? The mean of 19 or the median of 13?
Gosh. Mean of 19.
So you think 19 is closer to all the data than 13?
No, sorry, 13.
You think 13 is closer? Which one do you think?
13.
13. Yeah, the median is closer to most of the data values, okay? The data value for 1 hour, which was 60 minutes, that raised the mean. Okay, so finding the mean and the median is a really important skill. Okay, so that's why I definitely wanted to hit this module before we go on. Before we run out of time today, I want to talk about mean absolute deviation, which is the next section. Okay, so turn to page 456. Sorry, 455. Page 455, you have some numbers highlighted. Okay, Matthew, are you on the correct page?
I am.
Okay. It says a measure of variability is a single number used to describe the spread of a data set. Can also be called a measure of spread. One measure of variability is the mean absolute deviation, which is the mean of the distances between the data values and the mean of the set. So you find the mean, and then you want to see like how far away from the mean each piece of data is. Okay. So for part A, it says calculate the mean. And I want you guys to do, I'm going to have you do that for tomorrow. Oh, also, before I forget to tell you, Father Marco is coming to our class tomorrow morning. So if there's anything you want to ask Father Marco too, he's going to come and say hello to us and see how we're doing. So if there's anything that you've been thinking about church or, you know, masses, when that's going to start, or like maybe you have questions like what are some special things you could do at home since we can't, you know, go together. He'll be here tomorrow and we can talk to him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What was the page again?
On page 455, here's what I want you to do, okay? It's not going to be exactly what the directions say because we don't have enough time to talk today about the mean absolute deviation. We can get some of it ready for tomorrow. So I want you to do page 455 A, where it says calculate the mean, I want you to find the mean for that first part. Okay?
You just want us to do that for homework?
Okay. No, I wasn't done yet. All right. So that first part, and then it says complete the table. Distance from the mean. So whatever the mean is, let's say the mean is 50. And then where it says complete the table, they give you the number 60. You would say, oh, that's 10 from the mean if your mean was 50. 58, you'd put an 8. 54, 4. So you're going to fill in that table how far each of those numbers is from your mean. But I don't want you to do, the next section says calculate the MAD, the mean absolute deviation. Don't do that part because we didn't talk about that yet. Okay, so I want you to do A. I want you to find the mean and then see how far each number is in the chart. And then for part B, find the mean and then do the table again, how far everything is. So you're doing 4 things. 4 things. Find the mean, fill out the chart. For part B, find the mean, fill out the chart. And we'll do the MAD, the mean absolute deviation part tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
I have
Bye-bye.
a question.
Yeah.
So I wasn't here yesterday.
Yeah.
So it seemed like we skipped like 50 pages.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to go back and do them, Nicholas. It's just, I wanted to make sure that we got everything in this module. This is the last module of the book, and it has like a lot of important concepts in it. So I wanted to make sure we did it first, and then we're going to go back.
Okay.
So we won't be like finished when we're done with this module. We'll go back to where we were.
Okay.
Okay, good question. Have a good day.